From Zhuangzi, Chapter 1, The Giant Bird. In the northern sea, there is a giant fish called the kun, which is hundreds of miles long. It transforms into a giant bird called the peng, which has a wingspan hundreds of miles wide. When it charges up into the air, its wings are like clouds hanging in the sky. As it flies higher, the world below disappears into the hazy distance. The sky is blue, but is that its real color? Or does it just look blue because it is so far away and goes off into infinity? When the pungbird looks down, it sees the same azure expanse. Your heart must be opened wide before it can be boundless. Don't look at things from any certain point of view or point in time. Rather, become one with heaven and earth.